If you've ever had a K-pop hook stuck in your head and suddenly craved Korean fried chicken, you're not alone. K-food isn't just dinner anymore. It's a global mood. Korean cuisine exploded worldwide. Humble kimchi jars, sizzling Korean BBQ, millions can't get enough. Let's roll back a bit. Kimchi, salted, spiced, fermented veg, goes back over 1,000 years. It started as a survival food for brutal winters and turned into a probiotic powerhouse that now stars on tables in Seoul, São Paulo. Then there's bibimbap, rice, veg, beef, egg, mixed into a harmony of textures. In a hot stone bowl, it crackles like applause. And Korean BBQ, grill at the table, wrap in lettuce, dip in samjang, share the bite. Proper communal vibes. So how did it go global? A few waves. Diaspora communities built Koreatowns, LA, New York, Sydney, where flavors stayed authentic and curious neighbors wandered in. In the 2000s, a drama about royal cuisine made viewers hungry for history. Then K-pop and K-dramas took over the internet. Every time a character slurped ramyeon or shared tteokbokki, fans wanted a taste. Smart brands followed, exporting gochujang instant noodles, ready-to-cook BBQ kits, with clean labels and bold storytelling. Fusion didn't hurt either. Food trucks mixed Korean marinades with tacos, turning gochujang into a passport stamp. Chefs reimagined classics. Double-fried chicken with soy garlic glaze, vegan kimchi with seaweed umami, halal bulgogi, gluten-free rice flour batters. Why does K-food stick? Balance. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, spicy, all in one spread. Banchan gives you variety without fuss. Fermentation adds depth and legit gut health cred. It's customizable. Build your bowl, choose your spice, share your grill. It's social, it's vivid, and it photographs like a dream. Quick history hits. Royal court cuisine, refined plating, and balanced temple cuisine championed plant-forward purity. Post-war influence brought frying oils and chicken, which Korea made crispier. Through it all, cultural pride stayed front and center. Want in? Start with pantry heroes. Kimchi gochujang, toasted sesame oil. Try a weeknight sam. Pan-sear tofu, pan-sear chicken with gochujang and a splash of honey, spoon over rice, wrap in lettuce with kimchi. Proper tasty, quick and bright. Or build a bibimbap bowl, leftover veg, fried egg, sesame oil, drizzle gochujang to taste. If you're heading out, learn a couple words. Annyeong for hello, juseyo for please, then ask for recommendations. Try something beyond BBQ. Sundubu jjigae naengmyeon on a rainy day. K-food isn't a trend that passes. It's a culture that travels. From street carts to Michelin stars, from your playlist to your plate, it connects people. Next time a K-pop chorus hits, let your dinner join in. Grab some chopsticks and dig in. Cheers.